Holy that was fun. You want to do it again? Oh, shit, my pants. Howdy, and greetings from Sorrento, Italy, the famous Amalfi Coast town. Sorrento is known for its lemons, cliffside views of Mount Vesuvius, and its artisan downtown shops. It's also revered to as the gateway to the rest of the Amalfi Coast, being the last train stop before famous places like Positano and Reveo, from which many people take a bus from Sorrento to these locations. Meredith and I will be going to a family's farm that they have had for over 4 generations to take a cooking class. We're going to learn how to make some authentic Italian pasta dishes as well as tiramisu. After that, and a bunch of house wine, we're going to go down, check out the downtown area, shop around, and then head to the beach. Check out the size of these things right here. And from these golden lumps come the liquid gold limoncello. The following is an art installation by this Italian artist named Raffaele Celentano. Through his artwork, he depicts the soul of Sorrento. This looks like an old ass house. A little stream for all the water to go. So we're waiting to get picked up to go up to the family's house, and this blue Fiat comes along. It's like scratched up on the sides, pretty bad, you know. And we get crammed in there, and the dad is driving manual like a pro up these hills, and the mirrors are folded in, so he has more space to get up without scratching the walls. And he's just whipping this thing up to their farm.
Also because she contacted me on Instagram, quindi so I remember her. I'm so no, thank you because you chose us.
Yes, you're actually the reason I'm in Sorrento.
Yes, no, thank you so much.
Allora, listen. Allora, more or less, you do always getting like thicker. Okay. Should we use a little bit? Actually. Yeah. Okay. Good.
We want to say a big thank you to our friends Martina and Gennaro over at deaandcucina.com. If you're ever traveling through Sorrento or staying in Sorrento, you've got to give them a visit. They were super hospitable to have us in their house and to teach us the way of authentic Italian cooking, and we did a couple dishes. One was a tagliatelle, and the other was a ravioli dish. The house white wine is by far the best white wine I've ever had, and Nona, or for you English speakers, Grandma, whips up all the house white wine in the closet, and she's really perfected her craft. One of the very special things about the farm is that all of the ingredients and dairy are produced on their own land, and they have been for hundreds of years now. And it's funny because Mare and I have attempted Italian-inspired pasta before, and it was complete dog water. So we're very grateful to have this experience, and now our family and friends are grateful too.
Nice. Oh, and the middle. Ravioli. And this is nice.
It's just like shallow ravioli.
Once you finish them, just stop them a little around. And with them well over the.
C'è la luna, mezza mare, mamma mia, mi maradare.
This right here is how the ravioli type dish turned out. Solid 10 out of 10. I actually dream about this meal every single day, and I want it so bad. This right here is some fresh zucchini picked from the farm. I mean, top notch. And we actually did 3 dishes. This was another dish. It was like a butter, sage, provolone dish with the zucchini in there. It was super good. By that point, I forget the name because I was already in a food coma. And here's the famous tiramisu. This is Merida's favorite part. It's solid. You can't go wrong. Mascarpone, espresso, all that good stuff. And fun fact, like real deal tiramisu, Italian tiramisu uses raw eggs, so I learned something new.
Oh, that is so good.
I can't even tell where the biscuits are.
I think they've already disintegrated. Yeah.
They're all at the bottom. It's like actually foamy.
Yeah, I'm working at an agency right now, which I totally agree with you. Like, I like it. It's a really good experience, especially because there's a lot of people who have a lot more experience that I'm learning from and I'm working with, and they're very inspiring. But yeah, I don't want to work at an agency forever. It's good to start out. Yeah, and then you're pretty.
Good girl. I don't have any food. Good girl. I don't have any food. So she's a dairy cow. She's a little bit bigger than the beef cow.
Oh, you don't like your head? Okay, okay. Noted. Message received, lady.
Pero.
Is this us? Yeah.
What are you? It's crazy. Jeez.
Welcome. Greetings from Sorrento, Italy. Just had a great experience from a Sorrento family. They've been here for 4 generations. That's pretty incredible if you ask me. Shout out Small Brained American. We're about to walk to the beach and we're gonna have a good time. Ciao.
Look at the little Fiat.
Please be careful around this bend.
Get behind me, or else you're gonna get run
Si,
over.
si,
by a
senora.
Fiat.
Holy.
Look at that crazy hotel. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, this is where I took my picture.
What picture?
I had the puke green Birkenstocks, and I was sitting on the edge with the American lean. We're about to show you what the American lean is over here. Look at the flowers. Look at the bee.
Oh, look at the bee.
Baby, bambino. Greetings from Sorrento. There's some rain coming down.
where do you wanna
Unpopular
go?
opinion, this is my favorite weather. And down,
Wait, which way do you want to go?
we have these stairs.
Swan, you want to do it again?
Yeah, you can put it on.
Oh, shit, my pants.
Beach, Lido.
La playa.
We're headed down to the beach.
This is gonna feel just like the Vico.
These steps are wet.
Actually may not be as bad as the ones at Vico. I feel like the ones at Vico were...
They got all these buses and these trucks passing us. It's kind of crazy how close everything gets, as you'll see right here. Literally arm's length, I could reach out, and then amputation. But look at this view. What an amazing view. You see on this boat right here, they have jets. Very nice, very good.
I'm gonna steal the camera from him because I'm much more entertaining.
Meow chow.
Meow chow. He's entertaining
Meow chow.
sometimes.
Feel the burn.
I'm telling you, this is the Stairmaster Extreme.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we haven't read very well, Mike. I didn't.
Oh man. I'm she looking up tobacco store.
Mom, no, I'm not. I don't know what that is. Me first? You're gonna look at my buns.
Clickbait. There's a lot going on. There's a parrot. It's my favorite weather. These beautiful flowers, fiori. It's like some flags around the world. Seems very touristy area. There's a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. There might be tourist traps, who knows? Le fiori. She is flower. And she walks. What a beautiful area. Like I've said in many videos before, rain is my favorite weather. Here's a bookshop and a dog is here to greet us. Here I'm following the woman into Piazza. I mean, the rain is just beautiful.
You have a
would.
chili umbrella and I have my lemon umbrella.
Your limoncello. I got my chili umbrella from Sienna, shout out. I just want to swim. I just want to swim in it. Drown in it.
Swimming. Nee, daughter. Nee, daughter, in my playa.
Look at this guy.
It hurts.
Ciao. But here we have on the corner of the street.
Tobacco shop is... Do you have a pen? No. No. That's okay.
Yeah. Sì, sì. Bellissima. Your local Sorrento wine bottle. Di Sorrento e Vico e Quince. Mount Vesuvius, crested by the fog here in Vico Quince. Miss Cutter.
There's so many encantos.
Oh, the slow blink. How
It says he
beautiful.
loves us.
Meow chow. Meow chow. Meow chow. Piacere.
It is this view. I mean, it's pretty. This view would cost
Can't go wrong with the lemon
$8
tree.
million.
You think the cat likes to eat? Do you like to eat the lemons, Gato?
He might like the smell of lemons, yeah.
Do you like to eat the lemons? Si, si, signore.